Everyone, and welcome to today's video. This is a B1 level grammar lesson, and today we're going to be talking about the determiners and quantifiers all of, most of, some, and some of. All right, so say something about each pizza. And so they've got the question, how much pizza can you see? So here are some examples of quantity and amount. I can see some pizza. I can see most of the pizza. I can't see any pizza. All we see are the boxes. And I can see all the pizza. Okay, so we use many words to describe the quantity or amount of something. So none, little, few, some, half, many, much, most, and all. All humans crawl before they walk. Some people can speak 2 or 3 languages. There aren't any animals on this island. Most birds can fly. There isn't much water in this area. Many young people study at college, and there is little gravity on the moon. And also remember that any is used in questions and negative statements. Okay, so you're already familiar with these words that express quantity and amount. All children learn to talk. Most children like ice cream. Many children dislike homework. Half the children in my class speak 2 languages. Some children cry often. Few children dislike vacations. Okay, so now these are just according to your opinion. So there won't be any, um, you know, many answers are possible. It just depends on what you think. So go ahead and pause the video, answer these according to what you believe, and then restart when you're ready to continue. All right, now we're going to talk about the word of. You can use the following words with of, so all, some, any, most, much, many, little, few, none, and half. So the sentence structure for this is the all, some, any, whatever, any of these quantifiers, then the of, then an article like my, the, these, and then a noun or noun phrase. So here we have some of the people in my class are older than me. So we have some plus of plus the plus people in my class. So that's the noun phrase. Many of the people I work with live near the center of town. So many of the people I work with live near the center of town. Now, after none of, you can use a singular or a plural verb. So none of my friends likes camping. All of these vegetables are on sale. Few of these houses have their own garden. Little of my time is spent with my family. And do you understand any of these words? Okay, so we're going to compare all to all of. So which sentence is talking about a thing in general, and which sentence mentions a specific group or type of thing? So all children learn to speak, and all of the children in this class can speak 2 languages. So here, all children is more general, and then all of the children in this class. So here we're talking about a specific group of children. Many children are afraid of the dark, so that's general. Many of my friends' children won't eat vegetables. So here again, my friends' children, we're talking about a specific group. Some animals are poisonous, so that's general. Some of the animals in Australia are poisonous. So here we're talking about a specific group of animals, the ones in Australia. All right, we'll talk about all and half. So you do not need of after all and half, of is optional. So half of the children in this room are under 10 years old. There's a mistake there that doesn't need to be an apostrophe, it's just plural. Half the children in this room are under 10 years old. So you can either add the of or not. Both are correct. This artist sold all of his paintings in the exhibition, or the artist sold all his paintings in the exhibition. So here you can use the of or not, it's optional. But you must use of after none, any, some, if they're followed by my, these, the, etc. So I am looking for some of the ingredients we bought last week. So you can't say I am looking for some of the ingredients. Now, if you didn't have the, you could say I am looking for some ingredients. But because there's the article here, you have to use of before the article the. All right, so now decide whether you need of in these sentences. So you can pause the video, try these on your own. If the sentence is correct, you can just leave it blank. If it needs of, then please add it. All right, so you can say, all of my family love to take a vacation at the beach. Some of these sentences contain mistakes. I have seen many science fiction movies, so that one is fine as it is. Half the cake. This is one you can do either. You could say half of the cake or just have half the cake. No car may be parked in this area, so that one's fine. You don't need to add anything. So most of my friends live downtown. I don't know any of those people. And most trees have green leaves. We don't need to add of there. All right. You can also use object nouns, it, us, you, and them, with all of, some of, any of, few of, none of, etc. So here are some examples. There are 10 people in my French class, and some of us are also in the same German class. How many of these people do you know? A few of them. I wanted to go to that new restaurant on Saturday. I asked a few of my friends, but none of them were available. And do any of you want to come to the cinema tonight? So you must use of with all and half if the pronoun follows. So the students took an exam and all of them passed it. Okay, so because we have the pronoun after all, you must use the of. So you cannot say the students took an exam and all them passed it, because before them, you must have the of. All right, so here, again, you're going to use of if it's needed, plus the phrases in these boxes. You can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, Paris is a historic city. Many of its buildings are quite old. Some of these books are difficult to read. I think I need to find something else. We really need to buy some new furniture. All our chairs are broken. You could say all of or just all our chairs, so you can either use it or not. It's optional there. I am planning a surprise 40th birthday for Tom. I hope that none of his friends tell him about it. Half the people in Europe can speak more than one language, or you could say half of if you want. Okay, so we're going to complete these sentences with all of, some of, none of it, none of plus it, us, you, them, and in some cases more than one answer might be possible. So go ahead and pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, I don't like that author's books. All of them are boring. The teacher was really angry because none of us did our homework, not a single student. Most people pass the exam, but some of them need to study harder for the next exam in May. These shirts are very nice, but some of them, or actually we could say probably all of them seem expensive. I can only really afford to buy one or two of them. We need to leave at 7 p.m. sharp, so all of us need to be here on time. That means everyone. Okay, again, use your own noun to complete these sentences. You can pause the video, try these on your own. I'll fill in some answers, which might be different than yours, but you can get the idea of an example. There was a terrific storm last night, and many of, the trees in our garden fell down. I really like my new job, but I don't like all of the people who I work with. Half of the cake that was on the table yesterday is missing. Who took it? That exam was difficult. I could only answer some of the questions. A few of the books are unsuitable for children. And again, you might have different answers here, but these are just some suggestions. All right, now you should match the left column to the right column. Again, you can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Have you read all of these books? Probably no, just a few of them. I plan to finish some of them when I go on vacation. Do you know any of the people at this party? Yes, all of them. I worked with these guys for more than a year. Some of the questions in the exam were difficult, weren't they? Actually, most of them were challenging, and I guessed many of the answers. None of those restaurants serve good food. I don't agree. I've eaten at some of them and think they're okay. And whose money is that on the table? Well, half of it is mine, so I think the other half is yours. All right, so now you can write your own sentences using these pictures. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.